All right, today I'm going to give a quick walkthrough of how to take your notebook, in this case it's my notebook from Circuit Analysis 1, and digitize your notes for upload into the LMS, or really anything you may need a digital copy for. So let's get started. It's assumed that you already have the app on your device, so go ahead and open it up. And what you want to do is you want to find where you want to save it at. So go ahead and navigate to that folder. I think it's beneficial to build a file structure that allows you to save stuff where it's needed. Once you reach the folder where you want to save it, click the little camera icon in the bottom right and it'll load the capture device. You can see that you have multiple options from whiteboard, document, business card, and even photo. But for what we're doing, document is what we need. You can see the blue square, it's trying to auto crop to the edge of the paper. Just click the blue button and it'll capture, and then you can size it because it doesn't always capture correctly. The next thing you want to do is click the filter button, and I prefer the black and white. You can see sometimes the gray will be better, but most of the time the black and white is the way to go. If you tap on the screen, it'll close the filter selection tool, and then you can go and do other stuff, like if you need to set the crop. After you've got the filter and the crop done, click the done button and it'll bring up a window, and you'll see at the top this one says scan. That's where I put in my title. If you don't put a title in, it's going to auto name something. Below that you can also see recently used folders for quick access, and below that you even had a selection to go and find other locations. But since you went ahead and navigated to the specific folder you were going to use, it was already selected, and it'll start the upload process. Sometimes it doesn't refresh quickly enough and it doesn't show in the screen, but you give it enough time, it'll show. We can click on it, we can open it and see that we have our document there, and it captures it at a high enough resolution to whatever your camera on your device has, and it makes it extremely useful. It's saved as a PDF because we did the document function. And now that you've saved it to OneDrive, you can easily access it from any of your devices, anywhere you can log into your school email, and then you can quickly upload it to the LMS from a different device if you're more comfortable using the LMS on a different device. So we hope that helped. There's more into it, but that'll get you up and running enough to use it this semester. Good luck, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.